Well, hello and welcome to another Moto Showcase. I'm X0, and in today's episode will be a quick one because we just had a little shipment from Powerbronze, which I got. Some nice accents to go well with the bike. I'm going to check out this stock windscreen to change out to this Powerbronze dark tint double bubble windscreen, and also managed to pick up some shades, I should say, or headlight cover for the Raijin. So Raijin has some sunglasses to wear for its bright LEDs. So like I mentioned, shouldn't be a long install. The headlight covers are quite straightforward. It comes with all the Velcro, which I'm not too sure where I put it, and then I'll just show you the install of the windscreen, which is pretty straightforward as well. So to remove the windscreen, it's pretty straightforward. Just need to remove the 4 bolts for the Phillips head screwdriver. Don't forget that the screws has a white plastic washer. Top 2. Oops, I think I bumped my camera there. That's for the bolts that holds the windscreen, and then got to remove all your mirrors. There's this plastic cover. Just use your fingernail or something sharp to pry it open, and then remove all 4 of the bolts for the mirror. Then you can see there's actually a groove that is being held by the mirror so that your windscreen doesn't fly off. Alright, encountered a little bit of a problem here. Realized I made a mistake for this Phillips head screwdriver. I didn't realize it was held by this little nut with the rubber, which was underneath here. So you actually had to remove the plastic piece. If I can just squeeze my phone through, where this little rubber mount was actually inside there, which actually fell. So I had to fish it out somewhere in the crevices of this front end fairing. So I guess it's more ideal to remove the side fairing first, as in the side panels first, then unscrew it so that you don't lose the little nuts. And of course it was quite difficult to pull out because you see the front part here, there was this little grooves where I had to like really force out from the front. Luckily for the Powerbronze, it doesn't have this groove, so it will be quite difficult when you pull out this windscreen, the stock one. Alright, so I have installed back all 4 of the nut with the rubber mounting for all 4 sides. Not too sure you can see the one inside. Okay, just make sure you just be careful when you slot it in so that it doesn't drop again for all 4 sides. And then to make the install easier, actually you can just remove the mirror mount, which actually will slide through over here. See if I can get it with one hand. It's a bit difficult. Alright, there you go. Actually, you can just do it with one hand, and it should align all the bolts in place for the mirrors and the Philips head for the windscreen. So once I've installed everything back, I will give you the final look with the headlight guard as well. So I got everything back installed, and here is the final look. Also had the headlight covers installed, dark tint. Looks very nice and stealthy, but will affect the white LED from the headlight of the R3. You can see the double bubble increases the height of the windscreen for wind deflection at high speeds, and maybe for touring, which was the purpose of getting this windscreen. I really like the look. It has a very stealth look to it. This is the dark tint version for both the parts from Powerbronze. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick install. Check out our Facebook, Instagram for pictures, and subscribe to the channel, Little Bros Motovlog. This is a Moto Showcase, and I'm X0, signing off.